Ever wondered how a giant metal machine can fly through the sky so smoothly? Let's break down the 4 forces that make it happen without sounding like a science textbook. There are 4 main forces acting on a plane when it's flying: lift, weight, thrust, and drag. Think of them like a tug-of-war team trying to keep the plane in balance. Lift on an aircraft is primarily generated by the wings, which are shaped as airfoils. The curved upper surface of the wing causes air to move faster over it compared to the airflow underneath. This difference in airflow velocity creates a pressure difference, with lower pressure on the upper surface and higher pressure on the lower surface. This pressure differential generates an upward force, known as lift, that opposes gravity and allows the aircraft to fly. Thrust is the force that pushes an airplane forward, and it's generated by the jet engine through a process of air compression, combustion, and high-speed exhaust. Air enters the engine through the fan and passes through a series of compressors that increase its pressure. This compressed air is then mixed with fuel in the combustion chamber and ignited, creating a rapid expansion of hot gases. These gases flow through turbines, spinning them to keep the engine running, and then exit through the nozzle at high speed. According to Newton's third law, as the gases are pushed backward, the engine and the aircraft is pushed forward, producing the thrust needed for flight. Weight is the force of gravity pulling an aircraft downward toward the Earth. It acts through the plane's center of gravity and is determined by the aircraft's mass, including the structure, fuel, passengers, and cargo. Unlike lift, which pulls the plane upward, weight always pulls straight down. To achieve and maintain flight, a plane must generate enough lift to balance or overcome its weight. Managing weight is crucial in aviation. Too much weight can make it difficult or impossible for a plane to take off, climb, or fly safely. That's why pilots carefully calculate the total weight and its distribution before every flight to ensure safe and stable performance in the air. Drag is the air resistance that acts against the forward motion of an aircraft as it moves through the air. Drag slows the aircraft down and opposes the thrust produced by the engines. It is affected by the aircraft's shape, speed, and surface smoothness. To reduce drag, planes are designed with streamlined, aerodynamic shapes that allow air to flow over them smoothly. Reducing drag helps improve fuel efficiency and allows the aircraft to fly faster and more efficiently. So, for a plane to fly smoothly, lift must equal weight, thrust must overcome drag. It's a perfect balance that keeps planes gliding across the sky. And that's how planes fly, thanks to a little science and a lot of engineering. Like, comment, and subscribe if you learned something new. See you in the next flight.